Network Entertainment.
Hello, Stablers! Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho!
At kung wala pa kayong pang-regalo sa mga relatives and friends nyo, bigyan nyo sila ng merch.
Right.
Walang edit podcast. Suot ko ngayon yung ganda nito. Designed by...
The Projects PH.
collaboration.
Collaboration. Designed by...
Basta. Yeah. Someone I love.
You know who you are.
Yeah. Projects PH. Punta lang kayo dun sa website nila and lahat ng suot ko. Lahat ng suot, pakita mo dyan! Pakita mo!
Go. Let's
Yeah,
go. Our best take yet. I'm calling it.
Nah. And nasa akin yung walang edit-edit. Yung walang edit-edit lang yung meron sa likod, by the way. So, huwag kayong ma-expect na meron sa likod yung Vietnamese. Yung mga takes, yung stapler na isa pa. Actually, nasa bag ko yung isang stapler. Pero anyway, bili kayo.
Christmas
So, wait
gift.
lang, Jad. Nauuhaw ako.
Whoa!
Get
a drink.
Kailangan kong uminom.
Unfiltered
Ay,
water.
ano rin pala? Oh, merch. May mug merch.
Oh,
rin
shit.
kami.
What does it say?
Walang edit daw.
Now on Spotify.
Meron din yung
Solid.
stapler na
Identify
design.
as stapler.
Identify as stapler.
So, whatever you want, guys. May choices. Maraming options. Daming products. Mugs, shirts, hoodies.
Ano pa?
Cars.
Meron kaming hybrid car. Walang edit hybrid car. Up
Yes.
to 110 kilometers.
Yes.
Yes.
And you charge it with unfiltered takes.
Kailangan mong sabi, wala na akong maisip na take. Hindi tayo aabot. Hindi, joke lang. So, yun lang. Merry Christmas. I guess napapanood nyo to around 1 week before Christmas siguro.
Dang, man. If you haven't gotten me my gifts yet, Staplers, I want new socks. Leland, what do you want from the Staplers?
I want a very, very interesting guest.
Ah.
Set of guests. Kasi sobrang hirap itop ng guest natin.
Ngayon.
At, speaking of mahirap itop na guest, ang guest natin for this, lahat naman Christmas episodes na di ba? Pero for this one, hindi ko alam, well, again, na-surprise ako na nakuha natin siya. And very timely pa.
We're so blessed.
We're so blessed. Wala nang paligoy-ligor pa. Ligor? Wala nang paligor-ligor pa. Mr. The Catholic Comedian, Mr. Romar Chuka!
Yeah! Welcome.
Hello.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Anong date ba? Well, walang rough date
Lalabas
no?
to probably
Third
December 15,
Kung
17,
December
mga
15,
ganyan.
pumunta kayo at magsimbang gabi na bukas.
Tama!
Oh.
8 days?
9
9 days.
Do you-
Novena kasi 9-9, diba?
Nueva
okay.
as in like Latin.
Parang Nueva Ecija. Parang, pas ba 9-9, diba?
Is that
Yep.
Spanish? That's Spanish.
Spanish.
So 9 days. 9 simbang gabi.
9 na simbang gabi at wag magsimbang tabi kasama ang crush lang.
Ooh.
Diba? Kasi usually
Bring your
ganun.
mom then.
Oo,
My mom
family.
loves
How about your dad?
I don't know what he does.
Basta bring the whole family.
Bring the whole family.
Yeah.
And then after 9 days, you will get a planner.
Meron daw yung you get a wish daw after
Ah,
yung simbang
wish.
gabi.
Totoo ba yun?
Kala ko
Well,
planner. Sorry.
Mas okay. In-explain ko rin to nung minsan na mas you ask for the grace and then hopefully para if the grace is bestowed upon you next, diba?
In God's will.
Oo. Edi yun, magpasalamat ka. Kung hindi, baka mamaya not yet. It's not yet the time. So parang ganun.
So,
So
Ano ba
ask
tawag-
for a grace na lang, wag na wish.
so
kasi
magsimbang...
madalas wish.
That's nice.
Kasi grace is parang
Better.
binibigay sa'yo out of free, parang,
Not
basta,
because you're asking for
not
it.
because you're asking. Kasi, di ba, minsan may mga, naging prayers na. Di ba, may mga prayers tayo na minsan parang we're really asking for it, tapos biglang hindi pala matutupad, tapos madidisappoint tayo kay Lord. Yung mga ganun. So, parang more of, may detachment ka.
Gets ko na.
And trust.
Kasi yung grace, tama, grace kesa gift. Kasi yung grace, parang tip yan eh. Yung grace. Kumain ka sa restaurant,
Yeah.
yung server mo, nag-effort, na ganyan. Hindi siya nag-expect ng anything,
Doing
pero
his job
matutuwa
lang.
siya pag nagbigay ka ng tip.
Magugulat ka na lang na may tip ka.
So grace, treat it like a tip.
Pero wag lang yung US, di ba? Sa US,
Medyo
required
built-in.
Required siya eh.
Or yung culture.
Pero dito, yung parang kultura natin sa Pilipinas, parang wow, lumalim tayo bigla.
Never nagsabi yung server na, pahingi naman po
Pahingi
ako
ng tip. Or minsan, gagawin, di ba, yung tip box nakasulat, no? Maligayang Pasko. Di ba? Ganun lang.
Do you normally, complete the Simbang Gabi every year?
If you, every year I attend 2. So, if,
2.
So, kung i-add mo, nakumpleto ko na siya. Hindi, there were years na nakumpleto ko siya. Pero may mga years kasi na
Busy.
alam mo yun, busy or
Puyat.
biglang hindi ka pala magigising on time. Meron nga nung minsan na ako yung di ba sa simbahan meron yung ikaw yung prepare ng PowerPoint. Yung So, kasi choir ako. So, ako nag-prepare ng PowerPoint. Tapos I was 1 a.m. 1 a.m. cram ako. Grammar. Tapos, usually kasi yung misa English. Nangyari, biglang nag-text sa akin yung choir head na Romar Tagalog pala yung misa. So parang 3 a.m. yung so parang ako sabi ko, shucks, kailangan. Wala pang ChatGPT. So I had to translate everything. Confident naman ako sa
Tagalog,
Tagalog skills.
Yes,
ko,
honors Filipino.
M-boys na.
Let's go.
M-boy!
M-boy ng Ateneo High School. No? So sabi ko, memorize ko naman yung translation. Pagdating ng misa, 3 a.m. hindi gumana yung PowerPoint. VGA pa yan
Ano ba yan?
So, disappointed. Pero nung 4:30 a.m. na misa, gana. Di ba meron yung part ng misa na Panginoon, kaawaan mo kami. So, naka-project, Panginoon, kaawaan mo kami. Kristo, kaawaan mo kami. Kristo, kaawaan mo kami. Panginoon, kaawaan mo kami. Panginoon, have mercy. So, I think it's in line with konyo. Nabansagan ako na konyo nung time
Anong
na
mali
yun.
Naging konyo.
Oo nga.
Konyo pala sa Lord.
Minsan sa sobrang taglish ng Pilipinas, hindi mo na napapansin minsan na tinataglish mo yung isang word.
Oo. Code switch ang tawag dyan.
Code switching. Oo.
Madalas ka nag-code switch.
Ikaw, kaya mo mag-translate
ng
Tagal. Dapat, copywriter ka.
Yeah. For my job.
Anong Tagalog ng Lord have mercy?
Yun, Panginoon. Sana may... Sana may... tawad ka? Tawad, diba?
Grabe, sana may nakikinig boss mo, no?
I must sit
Sana
down.
may tawad kayo. Parang tiyanggi lang yun.
Lord, tawad ka. No, anyway.
Lord, patawad.
Patawad.
Yun.
Lord, patawad. Patawarin mo kami.
Naging title.
Panginoon, patawarin mo kami.
Pero in line with us, Lord, patawanin mo kami.
Patawanin mo.
Oh, speaking of comedy.
If hindi nyo alam by now, bakit hindi nyo alam? Ba't di nyo siya
Yes.
nakikita sa reels nyo? Siya lang naman ang... Would
Ayoko
you
yung
say...
the Catholic comedian. Pero I guess.
The top.
Pero ikaw yung nagkaroon ng niche
Perhaps.
na ganyan.
Yeah.
Na you're doing jokes about how you are as a
Oo.
Catholic person.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo. Yeah. What's your question there?
My question is, did you find your niche or did it just happen?
Sige, parang ang kwento behind that is, na-discover ko siya noong 2019. Imagine mo si Cardinal Tagle mismo. Cardinal Tagle, baka kilala, i-research na lang,
Si
Google nyo
Cards.
na lang. Si Cards.
Si Cards.
Si Cardi T.
Yeah, Carditi.
Cardity.
Yeah.
So si Cardinal Tagle, on stage during the 50th anniversary ng basta Jesuit music, nakatulog na lahat eh. So 50th anniversary. Imagine mo na para ko siya nakaka-stand up on stage. Kasi sabi ko, uy, Cardinal, it's the first ever makamit ako ng Cardinal in my life. Tapos sabi niya, first time lang din ako makakilala ng katulad mo. Tapos parang, oh my gosh. And then nung sabi ko na, okay, I'll leave you later, Cardinal, but I'll get your number later, ha? See ya. Alis ako ng stage. So nag-share siya about yung music, etc. Tapos at the middle of his sentence, bigla sabi niya, see ya. So parang ang saya niyang kasamang on stage, yung parang kwela siya.
Okay.
May joke ba siya na binitawan?
Parang wala naman. Pero the way that, parang siyang slapstick-ish si Cardinal on stage. Yeah. So, panoorin niyo na lang yung video. Search niyo, Ginintuan. Yeah.
Kasi
1 hour special.
I'm
mga
always,
2 hours yun.
parang lagi yung curious sa mga people who are heavily influenced by religion. How their sense of humor is
Oo.
Yeah.
different from the ordinary person.
Okay.
Is it hard?
So, kasi I'm sure you've been around people in that same community.
Yeah.
How do they think of jokes? Are they very guarded? Are they loose? Are they like normal like us? Us, eh, no?
Siguro, parang pwede mo siyang isipin na makikibagay at makikibagay ka sa kung ano yung gino-jokehan mong community.
Mm.
'Di ba parang sa marketing inaano
Know your
mo lang
audience.
naman
Mirroring.
Know your audience, 'di ba? Parang ano yung value proposition na kaagat sa mga tao. So, para sa akin pag kasama ko yung kunwari mga pare or mga alam ko minsan matatalino yung mga pare. So, minsan matatalino mga comedic jokes yung ginagawa ko. Depends eh. So, pero if yung tanong is where do I draw the line, 'di ba?
Yeah, like, or when do they get uncomfortable? Tama, drawing the line.
Siguro doon, they become uncomfortable kapag hindi taong simbahan yung nagjo-joke.
Oh! Okay. So if it was me doing the joke,
Oo, na parang hindi mo alam yung doctrine behind it. Baka yun yung parang where sa pagkakaunawa ko lang na doon nagdo-draw ng line yung mga tao, yung mga audience. So for example,
Like a license thing.
yeah, I think it's still the license thing na ngayon ko lang natutunan na may ganun pala na pero ngayon lang yung word lumabas na license pala ang tawag doon, which is I think nagkakalisensya ako to at least make fun of hindi pagkaka-coordinate ng commentator at ng choir kasi na-experience ko siya. 'Di ba? Parang ano ba talaga kakantahin natin tong kanta o i-recite lang tapos magtatampuhan yung yung choir versus the So I think at least I have the license given na nakapagturo naman ako ng Christian life education.
It's your truth,
Right.
your experience.
like, if thinking of an analogy, like for someone like me, if I joke about religion
Oo.
and my audience or online people, whatever,
Oo.
nakita yon, and without them having the context that I have a background where I study these things.
Yeah.
I'm a graduate of philosophy.
Oo.
I studied religion and everything. That's why I made the joke about it. If wala silang ganong context, they would be offended.
Yeah, oo.
That's what you're saying.
Parang doon nagiging relatable. If alam ng mga tao na kaya ko lang naman na hahanap yung humor dito. Kasi na-experience din nila kung ano yung na-experience ko.
Right.
Parang ganun.
So, if you wanna joke about someone with ADHD, people would be more comfortable if you're experiencing it yourself.
Oo,
you
kung
have
meron
it
kang
then.
ganun na.
You have a
So,
family member.
and is that the way din sa comedy?
I would say so.
Oo.
Kasi pagdating naman sa stand-up or sa comedy in general, I would be more comfortable as a stand-up comedian if yung ginagawa kong joke is na-experience ko rin talaga. Pero, I do find the craft interesting if you're not telling me anything and then you made that joke. I would give you the benefit of the doubt. But at the same time, iba-iba kasi yung values ng comedians eh. Some comedians would say na, hindi, basta nakakatawa yung gawin mo. Okay lang yan.
Kasi diba meron yung mga dark humor,
Yes,
yung mga
may mga ganyan. Pero to me, siguro values ko na lang yun nasa comedian.
The ethics.
Ethics na lang yun. Parang uso pa pala yun eh, no?
We're not all
I
just
joke
dick
about
jokes.
jokes about people on the spectrum. I have a lot, more than 5 members of family ko na may ganun. And I'm not saying that gives me
the
license to do it. But as a comedian, yun lang yung moral compass ko. Na I'm experiencing these things with my pinsan, with my pamangkin who are on the spectrum. Ganyan. The least thing I could do is to make them feel seen and share the story of mine. That kind of perspective.
I think there are also, kunwari, if you're joking with yung people in the spectrum na community, yun nga, mahalaga yung them being seen and yung parang there are stories that humanize them.
Yep.
Diba? Yung parang ganun I think yung hinahabol. Hindi yung laughing at but laughing with.
Yes.
Inclusion.
Yeah. Tapos na tayo?
Ganda na nun.
Oo.
Thank you so much.
hindi siya yung laughing at It's laughing with. And I think yun yung na-hit ko ng mga tao, especially during the pandemic ako nag-start. It's not laughing at choir and commentator. I'm actually laughing with you because I'm also choir and I also experience yung commentator.
Actually, you're laughing at yourself.
At myself.
Yeah.
Right?
So it's self-referential humor.
Yep.
Deprecation, if you will.
Self-deprecating humor na
Speaking of your start, so was that the first type of content that you tried na related to your religious background, or did you try other things before you realized, parang mas ako yung religious comedian?
Well, nung nag-aaral ako nung MBA, nagtapos din ako ng MBA, I was doing accounting jokes eh. Di ba?
Okay. May
Pero
era na
hindi ko na
ganon.
maalala yung mga accounting jokes ko. Pero anyway, yung mas nag-fly talaga was not necessarily religion, but the experience of people in the Catholic Church.
Which
Diba?
is so relatable.
I think
So relatable.
Yeah, which is so relatable, 'di ba? For example, 'di ba, pag sobrang bored mo sa simbahan, titingin ka ano yung electric fan na nandun, big ass fan pala.
Dude, always big ass fan
Yeah.
too. the nice
Magdadasal ka lang
churches.
tapos, oh my gosh, it's big ass
Alam mo
fan.
yun, nakakagulat sa electric fan na yan.
Oh.
Laging malinis.
Oh.
I don't know how they clean it
How
all
they
the
go up
time.
there, man.
Anyway.
Yeah,
ever
It's so
say-
weird na the name of it is so derogatory, like ass. It's a
Oo.
swear word technically. Pero
Pero,
nasa church,
Nasa simbahan, but if you look at the logo, it's actually the donkey.
may palusot.
Pero 'di ba, yan pagtawanan din namin yan before sa ibang mga podcast din na imagine mo magpapasalamat si Father. Thank you for the big ass fan. Totoo ba 'yun? 'Di ba? Anyway, so yun yung
Thank you
ano
for
ko,
the big
yun
ass
yung,
fan.
yun yung mga yung pinakaunang content na nagawa ko was me playing the piano
Yeah.
with Anima Christie. Diba?
You wearing shorts, no?
I'm just wearing shorts, pambahay nga lang sa Anima Christie, tapos may mahaba yung intro niya. So, imagine mo kung choir ka, hindi mo alam when you're supposed to enter. So yun lang, it was just that simple, and then it
That
suddenly became
observation.
viral. And then the next day I said, minsan hindi nagko-coordinate si choir tsaka si commentator, dun sila nagkakaroon ng mga clash, yung mga ganon. So it just took off from there, and then I think in a day I'd post one event in church, etc. Natuluan yung piano, yung mga ganon, kailangan mo mag or si Father sintonado, yung mga ganong levels
Was there ever a time na nasita ka ng people from the church?
Oo.
How was that?
Meron yung, I don't know if you remember the trend, yung my heart went oops.
Yeah.
'Di ba parang tatalikod ka and then magiging parang magbibihis transformation siya ng something.
Okay.
So there was this priest who also did that, yung my heart went oops, facing the camera, and then turned around and then naka vestment.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
So
Nice.
what I did was as if I were the choir. Eh, di ba sometimes when the mass begins, sometimes the priest isn't there yet. So what happened was, tinatanong ko, andiyan na ba si Father? Wala pa. Asan kaya si Father? Tapos bilang pinasok ko yung video ni Father na yung my heart went oops.
Na-stitch mo.
So stinitch ko na parang kaya pala walang choir kasi dahil si kay Father na my heart went oops.
Nagda-TikTok pa.
Na-transform
So
pa.
doon ako napagsabihan nung pari na yon na parang naging learning point ko rin siya, in fairness.
What did he say?
Na sinabi niya na hindi naman yung intention ko naman sa my heart went oops was I took a video of it only after the mass, not before the mass.
Kasi you did it in a mass setting.
Oh, I did it in a mass setting na parang kinonextualize ko yung
late siya dahil...
na-late siya dahil nagti-TikTok. 'Di ba? So, parang I learned na collaborations, kailangan ingatan din. Hindi siya yung basta-basta. Kailangan you have to
Get their
ask
permission.
for permission.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganon. So,
Makes sense.
I learned it the hard way. And then 3 years later, when I was the guest speaker for the National Youth Day here in
NYC.
NYD. Sa Caceres, sa Bicol. Nakita kami nung pari na to. Tapos sabi ko, Father, sorry talaga sa nangyari na gano'n. Tapos sabi niya, hindi, it's nothing, Romar. Pero naging friend kami. Diba?
Okay.
So, yun. May
It's
mga
nothing,
learning
Romar, pero I
period.
blocked you on TikTok.
Hindi.
Hindi pa sila forgiving.
Yeah. I'm always wondering, like, how do priests view stand-up comedy now in the Philippines? Kasi there are a lot of material out there that are funny as hell, but at the same time, they're
Funny as heaven.
funny as heaven
Joke lang.
dun sa mga cleaner sets. Pero they're like walking the line. They're always walking on eggshells. So, how do you think they think or they perceive stand-up comedy now? Is it in a good light or in a bad light or in between?
I think it depends on perhaps the age of the priest or
Right,
the religious. No?
Yep.
Kasi,
That's interesting.
for example, if millennial yung priest, ito nga, ganito ko sa inyo, may mga may pari akong kilala na si Father Bruce, siya yung BREWS, no? He brews coffee while preaching, no?
What?
Yeah, so
Live
siya.
Hindi naman live, pero parang nagtitimplan siya ng kape ng latte habang nagpi-preach ng 2 minutes.
Mm-mm.
Na ano.
Mimi-shtick
Oo.
siya.
Tapos,
Okay.
siya yung parang he appreciates stand-up comedy. Minsan nga, sabi niya, what if mag-invite ako ng stand-up comedians para sa mga fundraiser na dito sa sa St. Paul's nila, for example. Yung mga ganun. So, I think it depends on the age, kung
Right.
ano yung formation, or perhaps, malalalim ako dito, kung ano yung theology behind what you do.
What if, let's say, I made a dark joke about religion in a stand-up setting? How do they feel about that?
I guess hindi I can't speak for them
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
hindi
I
naman
get
ako
it.
Pero parang kung ako na nag-dark ako I'd contextualize na this is a stand-up comedy, hindi
Right.
naman ako ma-offend, at kung ma-offend man ako, dapat dito lang siya sa area na to, 'di ba? Yung dun sa kung
Hindi siya magiging external offensive thing.
Oo. Kasi parang I've heard mga religious jokes ng mga ibang mga comedians din.
Yeah.
Ako hindi naman ako no-offend. Kasi iniintindi ko na they're at a certain area na so it depends. I think it always depends.
Yeah, and people paid for it.
Yeah.
In a stand-up setting, it's not like pumunta sa bahay mo, uy, joke ako, pakinggan mo to.
Oo.
Laugh at us.
Yeah.
This reminds me of when Pope Francis, R.I.P. He invited a bunch of famous comedians to the Vatican.
Yep.
Sila Jimmy Fallon, sila Conan O'Brien. And parang yung message niya is about how God wants you to make people laugh.
Yeah.
Or something like that. Or every time you make someone laugh, you're making God laugh.
Ganda nun.
I hope that's really the case. I really, really hope that's the case. Kasi if nagkamali tayo, hindi pala siya natuto.
Kung wala siyang humor.
I mean,
Oh no.
Pero I don't think so. Kasi I studied philosophy kasi we were talking kanina.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nerd.
I know.
Nerd out.
I know. Sabi ni Nietzsche, ganun.
Sabi ng Plato's allegory of the cave.
Sabi ni John Locke,
Socrates.
the mind is an open blank
Sabi ni John
state.
Cena, you can't see me.
Hustle, loyalty, respect. Anyway.
You study philosophy.
Ayun, sabi
We just
philosophy.
lost
and-
all the cool listeners.
Okay, kung nakikinig pa kayo, salamat.
Kung natutulog na kayo, sweet dreams.
Ang definition kasi ng God, concept concept niya is lahat ng positive traits, lahat ng positive things, feelings, emotions, whatever, nasa kanya. So, by that definition, if skill-wise, ang stand-up comedy ay isang skill, magpatawa ng ibang tao, ibig sabihin, nasa kanya yung maximum
Joy, maximum.
level
Oo.
ng pagpapatawa, ng sense of humor.
Yung stats niya, 100.
100
105.
crowd work,
Siguro.
100 bits, 100 tags, lahat. Crowd work, whatever.
Entrance for some reason. Magaling siya mag-entrance.
Act out niya, 100.
Marunong
Premise
siya
niya.
mag-TikTok skit.
TikTok skit,
Mag-podcast.
script, whatever, talking head, lahat. If ganun ang definition, ibig sabihin, lahat ng jokes na nakakatawa, kaya niyang tawanan.
Kaya niya. At least tonin.
Oo. Pero, would it also mean na very clean yung material na gagawin niya? Na parang, siya yung best comedian so hindi niya kailangan magkaroon ng negative material to make people laugh.
True.
Magka-focus siya sa positive and still be the best comedian that ever walked on earth or flew.
Alam mo, ang hirap ng tanong kasi yung green jokes, you can still contextualize it at magiging at magiging wholesome. For example, kung
Mga
kunwari,
dad jokes.
kunwari, let's say, I have the license kasi may asawa ko at pinag-uusapan ko yung sex, 'di ba?
Yung lovemaking,
yung
no?
lovemaking. But I say na this is in the context of marriage. Di ba mga gano'n na
Right.
which is yun yung audience ko na which makes them feel safe. I think mahahanapan mo ng paraan to package it in such a way that it's not offensive. Pero if you go back to the definition of God, sa philosophy, parang isang definition pa lang yan. Meron ka pang iba't ibang mga definition, di ba? Yun, that which nothing greater can be conceived, di ba? Anselm ata. Or something like that. So, parang iba-iba din kasi yung, yung definition ng mga philosophers.
Tsaka iba-ibang context.
Well, sa mga taong nagugulat, inaaral to sa Philo of Religion, ha? So, wag kayong magulat na parang kung ano-anong definition lang ni God ang lumalabas sa amin.
Yeah, we didn't get this from Reddit lang.
Yeah.
They went to
TikTok
classes.
din. Joke lang. Ikaw ba? Are you religious? Did you grow up?
Actually, I wanted to tell you, you might not know this, pero I was actually president of Youth for Christ sa Zabel.
What?
Yes, I was saving that fun
YFC
fact.
boy over here.
YFC Zabel.
YFC.
Yeah, God is good.
All the time. All the time?
God is good.
Yun.
Richmond? Which one? Sorry.
But yun, I wanted to save that fun fact for the podcast kasi baka I wanted to see how you'll react. Pero yun.
So, na-video sana eh. Ay,
Yeah.
na-video naman.
But
I-zoom
yeah,
in na lang.
But ever since I got active ng high school sa YFC, parang Jesus became I had a very personal relationship now with Jesus ever since. Even if I would stray away, like in college, parang I wouldn't pray as much. Parang I would find myself going back to him during times of hardship.
Really?
Takbuhan eh, no? Takbuhan.
Are you not only saying this because of the episode?
Bro, don't blow my cover, man. No, I really I think right now I have a strong relationship now with Jesus. Like parang college siguro I strayed away, but I realized okay, I need it more than ever. Lalo na as an adult. So yeah, even like before I do my sets, I pray like Lord, may I continue to do all my comedy.
I'm really
For the love of you.
Ang
surprised.
ganda ng reaction, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Kaysa kung ako magsabi na nagdadasal ako bago, hindi ka masa-surprise masyado.
Because I've known this guy for
I don't
like-
bring it up. I don't bring it up much.
My
Ang
God.
ganda. Wow.
Pero speaking of comedy, because of that, I think I walk on eggshells when it comes to if I want to joke about God.
You're not that comfortable.
But I have to really I don't even have any joke about God nga right now. Pero if I tried before and I realized parang I need to write this well because I need to do this justice.
It needs to be compelling. It needs to
Yeah.
be very meaningful or
Otherwise,
insightful.
I'm just gonna say the Lord's name in vain or something.
Oo.
Ako, share ko lang
Ikaw.
rin.
Oh, go.
I have to be honest. Since we're on record, at gusto kong panindigan tong walang edit na to. I grew up religious, but when I got to college, studying philosophy, I don't even know what I am right now. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba, agnostic ba ibig sabihin na to.
Okay.
Or atheist.
I'm sure I'm not an atheist.
Yeah.
Kasi I really believe
There is a God.
There is something higher.
there
okay. Anong
is
difference?
an immovable mover.
Wow.
Sabi
Ano yan?
nga ni Saint Thomas Aquinas,
From the
Five-
five what?
five ways
Five ways.
to prove
Man.
God exists.
These guys
Order?
are so cool.
Ayoko na
Wag na,
magkamali pa.
makakatulog na.
Makakatulog na sila.
This convo is
Anyway,
so hot right
So,
now.
hindi gagalaw ang isang bagay kung walang gumalaw. So, naniniwala ako sa law of physics na yun. So, but hindi ko alam if naniniwala ako sa what Catholic people say,
Their
what Christian
definition.
people say, what other religions say about God. Alam ko lang na may nagsimula. Doesn't have to be personal.
Yeah.
Hindi kailangan tao siya.
Oo.
Diba? So, God who started everything. That's how I think about it. So, having that kind of fascination sa religion, growing up to college, to philosophy, whatever, I always joked about it.
Yung
About the religion,
okay.
the belief,
Oo,
the
oo.
values and everything. Kasi Don Bosco ako high school.
High school. Oo.
Tapos ako,
UST.
UST.
Sobrang religious.
So, sobrang religious din.
Shoutout sa mga Dominicans.
Shoutout Dominicans. Shoutout sa mga Salesians. Shoutout sa mga Jesuits.
Jesuits? Bakit Jesuits?
Jesuits.
Kayong dalawa eh. So,
OBF.
I always joked about it because I'm always curious and fascinated
Okay.
about religion.
Oo.
So parang for me, yung outlet ko, parang gusto ko ilabas to in a form of a joke. Just so I can share the story with people. My biggest joke that made me nung medyo nasa underground ang
Indie
stand-up.
artist ka pa.
Yeah.
Hanggang ngayon naman eh. Di ba? Was all religion. It's about Jesus jokes. Of course, I'm not gonna post it. I don't want to offend
Yeah,
anyone
yeah.
who's not up for it. So parang it's always been about that. Nakakatuwa na ang daming hindi alam na nung ginawa ni Jesus yung wine,
Oo.
miracle, hindi nila alam na kasal yun, by the way. Hindi nila alam
Na wedding at Cana.
na wedding yun nung tropa ni Jesus.
Kasama si Mary.
Tapos plus one niya si Mary. Hindi nila alam yun.
At hindi rin nila alam na si Mama Mary pa ngayon nag-nudge kay Jesus
Yes,
na,
uy,
diba?
walang wine.
Uy, walang anak, walang wine.
Oo.
They just focus
At ibig
on
sabihin, hindi party pooper si Mama Mary.
Oo.
Oh, she knows how to have fun, man.
Kasi, di ba, gusto niya
She's a millennial mom. She's a millennial mom.
She's a cool mom.
Cool mom.
She's a poblasyon mom.
Oh, well, I guess whatever that means.
Whatever
yeah.
that means. Pero nag-align eh.
Their version of Pablo.
So, it gives me the parang ang saya ng journey dun sa joke. Knowing na, hindi nyo to alam?
Oo.
So,
So, at least nakapag-evangelize ka pa.
what does that mean?
Nakaturo ka pa ng
you
mga
spread
tao.
the,
I don't wanna
Diba?
take credit for
well,
that.
at least,
It's just
diba?
too much.
Yeah, I get. Well, for me, that was evangelization.
Another thing
Yeah,
na ginawa ko. Sorry, ngayon ko lang ito sasabihin sa episode na to. My biggest joke, first kasi pag, di ba nag-open mic ka?
Open mic, oo.
Na-try mo mag-open mic. Ang
Yeah.
first 5 minutes mo yung pinaka-crucial sa career mo.
Delix eh. Ano,
Yun yung pinaka dapat kahit saan mo gawin, tight. Yung ender na joke ko about Jesus' nicknames.
gago.
Okay.
Online pa to. So Romar, yung premise niya is,
Here we go.
Okay, pwede natin i-proseso to. Sige, go ahead.
hindi ko na siya ginagamit kasi I think it's not that good. Pero since nandito tayo, ang premise niya is, sobrang daming nicknames ni Jesus.
Yeah.
Mas marami pa siyang nicknames kaysa sa mga UFC fighter. So if ever man mag-UFC siya, ang hirap i-introduce nun ng daming nicknames.
Oo.
Di ba? Introduce mo siya, Jesus, from Bethlehem, South Jerusalem,
The
whatever.
manifestation of our eschatological, mga ganon, di ba?
Ano yun?
The chosen one.
The chosen one.
The only begotten.
The Omega.
The Alpha and the Omega.
The Water Walker.
Oo.
Ang dami.
Ang dami. Oo.
So, hindi lang natatapos yung introduction.
The wine machine.
It's called the
Okay,
litany
sorry.
of, di ba? Parang litanya eh.
Parang may scroll ka.
Oo.
Ganyan. Hindi ko makita. Ilang minutes na yan. Ilan na daw? Sabi ni Gab? 30. Okay lang, walang edit.
Walang edit.
Okay.
Oh. Pero that's the thing.
Oo.
So parang, it's funny how people who know about Jesus don't know how many nicknames
Yeah.
he has
Yeah.
or he had.
Oo.
So parang that's what I make jokes about.
Oo,
na parang, okay, yung mga hindi nyo alam,
Yeah.
lalabas ko dito.
Oo.
So,
Mga
yun.
quirks ni Jesus. The human side.
Kasi, parang, I guess, if mag-theologize tayo, nakatulog na naman lahat ng mga tao. Pag mag-theologize tayo
You know
a
what?
bit,
Kanina pa natin sinasabi na baka feeling ko interesting sa lahat sa kanila to.
talaga?
Oh,
Kasi
Paper
we don't
Cerner.
usually say
really?
these things.
Oh, sige.
Yeah.
Game.
Oh.
Let's test them.
Meron kasi minsan kasi, masyado nating finofocus yung divinity ni Jesus na nakakalimutan natin na yung humanity niya.
Human side.
Yung human side niya.
That's my favorite part.
'Di ba? Kasi parang yung divinity ni Jesus, ito yung na-recognize natin na he rose from the dead, he healed people,
Yeah.
and
Wakain siya
water.
nasa
tilapia.
langit na siya. He's the Cristo Rey, the Cristo nasa langit, etc. Pero parang hindi natin na-realize na nadapa din naman si Jesus nung tumakbo siya. 'Di ba? Or mamaya na nakipag-inuman din naman si Jesus kasama ng mga disciples.
I'm sure may humirit doon sa disciple ng dark joke. Feeling ko natawa siya eh.
Posible. 'Di ba? May mga inside jokes malamang yun yung mga ano.
I need to write that down. Hold on.
Actually, this is my gripe with the Bible. Love the Bible, by the way. Love the
Yeah,
Bible.
let's
Good
Best-
book.
Best,
Love the Bible.
best
Good
book in the world.
Yeah.
But I feel like they took out all the humor. I feel like the disciples joked around, Jesus joked around.
Yeah.
It's impossible na in 33 years he never said a joke.
Lakas nila uminom eh.
Oh, well, true naman.
I mean,
Totoo.
topahan, di ba?
Totoo.
I'm sure nagkwentuhan yun about
During the
funny
wedding
stuff.
at Cana, nung nandyan na yung wine, malamang sa malamang. So parang ako, yung hinaharap ko talaga sa mga tao is that yung humanity ni Jesus masyadong okay lang. Sige, let's try to understand yung divinity, pero we're trying to forget na
He's one of us too.
One of us, 'di ba? Except sin. Yun yung
Except sin.
'di ba? Yan yung sa theology. Pero yung one of us na pwedeng ano, 'di ba? Parang kung umiiyak ka na inakbayan ka ni Jesus, kung
Sa brother.
kung nung na broken hearted siguro si Saint Paul or something yung mga or si Saint Paul, hindi niya pala
Si Peter.
si Saint Peter, 'di ba? Baka naman niyakap ni Jesus tapos okay lang yan, bro. May iba pang mga girls sa Arimathea or sorry, or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's the humanity that we sometimes forget, and if humanity accepts sin, di ba? Yun yung ano. So, parang, I think doon tayo makaka-relate. And if, especially in the age right now, na parang people feel alone most of the time, people feel, parang Jesus is so far away from me, I think there was a time na nalungkot din si Jesus. Di ba? At tumawa din si Jesus, etc.
Is
To cheer up.
sadness considered a sin?
Hindi.
Hindi. Pwede siyang malungkot.
Pwedeng malungkot. Kasi for example, merong may isang linya sa Bible, yung, and Jesus wept.
Oh!
And Kanye used that in a line.
He also...
As a line.
I cried, she cried, Jesus wept.
Oh yeah, which is true.
I don't like Kanye, by the way. I don't like Kanye.
No, but ang ganda nung line, yung bar niya. Na,
Uy, yung... Praise the Lord. Gusto ko yun,
Actually,
actually.
yung album na yun.
I like the...
Wait, this is Ye. The Ye album.
I'm not so sure.
I'm
Or
all his
Life of Pablo.
Christian songs. Solid.
Pero yun, parang it's really the humanity of Jesus na we sometimes forget.
If nakainuman mo si Jesus,
Oh.
if Gen Z si Jesus ngayon, I think masaya siya kausap.
Totoo.
Hindi, no bullshit Like,
Oo.
this is me, Leland, as a comedian speaking.
Okay.
Na parang, feeling ko, hindi bangka si Jesus. Feeling ko, sa Cool Pals may Ryan Rems, di ba? Feeling ko ganun siya.
Pwede.
Words,
parang
hard-hitting
With
words.
a beard.
Lahat ng sundot niya,
With the beard.
killer lahat.
Kasi kailangan mong
Yeah.
i-contextualize din.
Man of few words.
Si Jesus, di ba, parang he was, di ba, may sermon on the plain, may sermon on the mount. Imagine mo, 5,000 yung makikinig sa'yo. Imagine mo, hindi ka man lang mag-joke.
Yeah. My
Diba?
theory talaga is when they were writing choosing what to include sa Bible, they realized, daming jokes dito. Apparently, they were really funny.
Oo.
Baka no one will take our religion seriously when we sell it.
Hindi,
So
pero...
let's make it formal na lang.
Hindi, pero
Serious.
if paki-correct na lang ako if I'm wrong here. Pero the way the Bible was written, it's normal speak siya. Normal speak ng Greeks. Ng mga Greeks. So actually, merong alam mo ba may Konyo Bible yung translation?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what does that
May Konyo
mean?
Bible. Ang pangalan ng Bible, ang Bible. Available siya sa St. Paul's.
I learned this from
Oo.
Ryan Puno. He, talked about it on stage.
Tapos,
tingnan mo.
meron, konyo talaga na, well, hindi naman siya konyo na parang, yo, what's up, mga ganon. It's more of,
to publish on first
hindi naman.
Hindi
I
naman
mean,
ganun.
yung choice of words, nagko-code switch, parang tayo
Ganda.
magsalita.
Ganda.
Which is, ganun daw yung, the way we feel kapag binabasa natin yung konyo Bible na yan, is perhaps the way that the first early Christians read the Bible. Na parang ganyan ka-normal. And I think, maraming mga bagay na masyado
Nawala.
nating na-formalize si Jesus na may mga jokes dyan na lost in translation.
Nawala.
Kaya siya nagmukhang very formal as a person.
And
Yeah.
stiff.
Kasi 'di ba parang for example, ano
Correct.
yung mga binabasa na ng mga translation? 'Di ba yung mga and he hath, yung mga ganyan. Pero nawawala yung kunwari, I think may humor dun sa, yung mustard seed, the lit niya, pero boom! Laki
Yeah,
pala ng
baka
di ba?
yun nga.
Laki pala ng So, I think things like that na, imagine mo, for example, hindi ba joke yun na parang may isang araw, may 2 anak na kausap lang yung tatay niya, tapos yung anak sinabi, uy, tay, akin na nga mana ko. That's prodigal son.
May
That's the
setup
prodigal
punchline
son,
na,
diba?
na posible.
I think it
Posibleng-
was way more casual than it was written.
Yeah.
They made
The
it
conversation.
too
May
corporate.
ganon. Mga
Yeah.
ganon. Hindi sa the made it too corporate, I guess. It's more of, I think, naiwan siya sa panahon na, basta may ganon, yung translation. Kaya naging ultra formal na siya. Na ano.
Makes sense kasi if you've watched mga stand-up specials on Netflix na Pinoy, and then you turn on the English translation na
Yeah.
subtitles,
Yeah.
parang namawala yung humor when you
Yeah.
translate it to English or to another language.
You know what?
Same thing.
You know what? Yung favorite ng mga tao ngayon, and I think it's connecting really with people, is The Chosen. It's a show sa Netflix or sa
Ooh.
Meron nito.
na parang
Ano
gusto
to?
siya ng mga tao kasi na-humanize si Jesus as in he laughs, binabasa niya yung mga mukha ng mga disipulo, yung mga
Oh,
ganon.
shit.
So it
That's
speaks in a way na very para magkasama lang tayo, yung mga ganon. Barkada natin si Jesus, di ba? Parang ganon na.
He's a bro.
Since we're speaking
Theologically.
and nandito tayo sa topic ng medyo Bible na. Dito na tayo sa segment nating tinatawag kong Who's on your list?
Who's on your list? Hallelujah.
Wait lang, meron tayong choir member dito.
Yeah.
Pwede ba nating ayusin this time?
Sorry.
Dito tayo sa Who's on your list?
Who's on your list? Okay, was
Okay
that in
naman.
tone? Was that in tone?
Okay naman, ano siya? Tan, 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 tan.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
He's just
Okay.
We're keeping it.
workshop.
Anyway.
Arreglohan ko yun ng piano pa.
Dito tayo sa ano ba yun? Ayun, sa Bible tayo.
Okay.
Ano ang top 3 miracles ni Jesus
For you.
para sa'yo?
Para sa akin, siguro una yung calming of the storm.
Ganda.
Pang Pilipinas.
Kasi alam mo yung
Very
sa
relevant.
yung calming of the storm, doon mo makita yung katauhan ni Jesus kasi nakasulat doon, if I am not mistaken, na nagdala si Jesus ng unan. Nagdala si Jesus ng unan. So, ibig sabihin,
Ang cute.
ready siya na matulog kahit na bumabagyo. Ibig sabihin yung life, yung faith na meron siya na hindi lulubog yung barko.
May
Diba?
dala siyang-
So, matutulog talaga. And nung ginising, siguro parang, ano ba yan? Ba't niyo ako ginising? So, then,
dumaan muna siya sa Euratex.
yeah. Sponsored yun.
May neck
Okay. So, I
endorser
think,
pala siya ng Euro.
second, miracle, I guess it's the multiplication of loaves.
Yes.
No?
Very Filipino relevant then.
Julie's Bake Shop.
There's I hope I'm not being a heretic here. I like one interpretation of the multiplication of loaves na this is not to discredit na baka mamaya talaga nagmultiply yung loaves yung ano. Pero I like this other interpretation na ang lapit niya sa puso ko na mas social justice kasi yung person. 'Di ba? Yung allowing other people parang because may isang nag-share, iba't ibang tao nag-share na rin. So, kasi,
Yeah.
ano ba nangyari doon sa
Na-inspire.
kwento? Di ba may bata na nag-share ng 5 loaves and 2 fish? And pagka bigay kay Jesus, yun yung multiplication of loaves. What we know is nagmultiply dumami yung and then even I think may 5 or something wicker baskets pa nga na natira, yung mga ganon.
Yan yung take out.
Yun yung take away yung mga to go na So pero ito hindi siya yung official teaching pero ako natutuwa ako sa kwentong yun because it's not discrediting the miracle, but what if dahil may nag-share na isang bata na ito lang ang meron ako, nagsimula din mag-share yung 5,000 at ang dami pala nating pagkain once mag-share pala tayo sa isa't isa.
Yun
no?
yung mas papaniwalaan ko.
'Di ba? Parang tapos i-philosophize natin. Inaano mo, sinasabi mo Romar na walang milagro na nangyari dun. Sa kung kunwari nag-share lang. Tapos parang ako, can it not be a miracle na everyone started sharing as well? Can we not find God in the most ordinary things of sharing? 'Di ba? Yung parang ang dami mga ganyan. So yan yung second ko. It's
Interesting.
the multiplication of loaves. I'm not discrediting yung na pwede din nag-multiply. And I think yung pangatlo is Saint Peter walking. Nung nandun na si Jesus.
Beautiful morning.
Kasi
Wait, kwento natin sa mga hindi alam.
sa mga hindi alam, so bumabagyo, tapos may nakita daw silang yung mga apostles na ghost na naglalakad sa tubig, tapos nandun bigla si Jesus, tapos si San Pedro parang in-invite ni Jesus na sige, if punta ka dito, lakad siguro tayo or
The
something
water's
na
fine.
and naglakad daw si San Pedro doon sa sa tubig, tapos dahil na wala yung gaze ni San Pedro kay Jesus, he started sinking. No? And then parang biglang hinugot ni Jesus at nakapaglakad
Tapos
sila.
tumugtog yung Kanye West.
Sana.
Praise the Lord.
Well, ako, game. Why not? Gawa tayo ng musical with that. Diba?
Bound to fall.
So sa akin, parang I appreciate that because 'di ba may mga tao na ngayon na nalulunod sa lahat-lahat and they feel na and ako there was this painting na ang ganda na parang si Jesus yung humahatak sa mula sa ilalim ng tubig na yung perspective na kaganon ka.
Okay.
Ang niya you could really relate to that. And I think I think the essence of what we're talking about is Jesus or the disciples or the saints perhaps or whatever, they are actually relatable. And perhaps God meets you where you are. So, kunyari sa'yo, in your questioning, di ba? Parang for me,
Love that.
hindi, kung kunwari hindi ka nagsisimba, para sa akin, okay lang, pero I think God is planting a seed in your life right now. Parang ganun. So, God meets you where you are, okay lang, hindi ka muna magsimba, pero
Mag-online mass na lang.
baka mamaya yun yung start, baka magsunod-sunod. And ako, it doesn't end kasi with prayer. For me, it really ends with social action with other people. It's not just my relationship towards the Lord. But dahil sa relationship ko towards the Lord, paano ko natitreat yung others? Yung least, last, lost. Yung mga ganun ba?
Right.
So, my faith is relevant. It's a faith in action. Kaya ako nagtatrabaho with Sumelao Farmers. Kaya ako nagtatrabaho with
Very
mga
generous.
NGOs.
All over the
yung mga
place.
ganyan. Yun yung hugot ko na parang
Man for others.
Oo, man for others, 'di ba? So
Others for man.
hindi lang siya yung parang my relationship with the Lord na dasal-dasal, pero yung dasal ko, it powers itong
It manifests.
It manifests in other people, yung mga projects, yung
Respect.
mga ganyan.
Now I want to ask, like, because I feel like I stop at prayer lang. Like, I feel like wala akong masyadong plans right now to do social work. So I wonder, because my current focus is like stand-up comedy.
Yeah.
Is my focus on stand-up comedy lang like selfish? Or is there a way I can help socially through this career?
For me, yun nga, babalik tayo sa God meets you where you are. Nandyan si Lord sa pagsa-stand-up comedy mo, di ba? So, yung the way that you inspire and give laughter to people and yung parang nabubuksan yung isip nila at may natututunan sila or perhaps may lumigaya yung araw nila when they felt so perhaps depressed or may tapos biglang ikaw lang pala yung nagpatawa sa kanila. That's
that's
already
nice.
being Christ for other people.
Si Lord nasa audience. Kaya pag bumabomba ka, magana siya. That's all lang.
Sorry, Lord.
Pero yun nga si St. Ignatius kasi finding God in all things. So si Lord nasa audience. Di ba? Si Lord nasa iyo. Nasa
I find
nasa
it hard
experience.
to find Lord sa
Mga hecklers.
mga politika ngayon.
Hirap
Alam,
hirap yan.
Imposibleng wala nandyan si Lord.
Mahirap, no?
Pero
Yeah.
that's a good top 3 and thank you for explaining them.
Oo.
I think that's one of the most interesting top 3s we have had.
Oh, really? Wow,
Yeah, I
thanks,
don't
thanks.
usually say it. But at least to me. Yeah. At I have a question. I don't know if this is blasphemous or something.
Sige, we can process it naman.
Yeah. Why did people stop creating gods after the emergence of Jesus?
I think they still continued creating different
But
gods
it's
na lower G. Yung parang ganun.
Oo.
Yung
Parang Greek mythology.
Parang
ganun.
nung nag-viral na si Jesus,
Jesus nung
hindi na nag-viral yung mga bago.
I think nag-viral pa rin.
Talaga?
Oo, parang
Sino yung
may
newer?
mga iba't ibang mga relihiyon pa rin naman na nag-spring forth from that na And I think then, nung age of enlightenment, mga 1600s or 1700s, nagbago na yung God. It's rational, reason, di ba?
Right. I've read about this, I think.
So, nung naliwanagan sila, doon na yung lalabas yung si Nietzsche na topics mo na dahil naliwanagan sila, yun na yung naging bagong God. And ngayon, ano na ang bagong God natin? It's really consumerism.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba?
Celebrities.
So, celebrities, etc.
Right.
So,
Capitalism,
parang
money.
instead of people going to church, people now go to malls. Instead of people, pero again, kung ika-clash natin yung God meets you where you are, kaya nagtatayo ang simbahan ng mga chapel sa
loob ng mall.
Which is,
Blasphemous ba pag naglagay sila ng Zara doon?
saan? Sa loob ng, ganito na lang, ikukwento ko na lang. Hindi ko alam yung tanong dyan, kung maglalagay na sila ng Zara sa loob ng simbahan, hindi ko alam kung blasphemous yun. Pero kasi,
Free merch.
nung minsan may nagtanong, excuse me, Father, can I, wait lang i-formulate ko siya. Can I work out while I pray? Sabi ni Father, no.
That's a good question.
Talaga?
Parang ganun. Pero biglang, but Father, can I pray while I work out? Can I pray while I work? Yes. Tapos parang ganun. Wala lang.
Basta, kailangan mauna lang yung prayer.
Ewan ko, hindi ko alam
Before.
yung pero ang insight ko dun is, baka yun nga, baka kailangan mauna yung prayer or something. Pero, I think it's a matter of perspective, na can I drive, ewan ko, something like that.
Yung Zara dapat on the way out.
Oo. So that,
gift
kasi
shop
baka
lang.
Ay, hindi
mamaya,
pa po pwede. Hindi pa po tapos yung
The other day-
Closed pa, sorry.
the other day, nandun ako sa gateway, sa taas, sa may simbahan dun sa pinakataas, yung Sagrada Familia Chapel. Tapos pagkalabas ko, may DQ. May So, sorry, may brands na.
Yun
Anyway, so
nga.
may
Okay lang.
may DQ. So I
DQ
guess,
baka naman.
oo. So I guess, baka mamaya, let's say, we find God in all things, baka mamaya pumupunta yung tao dahil may aircon, or dahil may DQ, or dahil may big ass fan, yung mga ganun.
Ako, pumunta ako sa shrine dati, or kami, kasi may aircon.
Oo. Ako, nag-serve ako sa choir kasi may cutie girl dun.
Mm.
Oo, so kaya nga nagsulat ako ng ayokong ma-distract kapag may cutie girl sa simbahan. Tapos yung parang isang lyric doon was Lord, di ba utos mo nga sa 10 commandments mo, thou shall not steal, pero bakit ninakaw niya ang puso ko?
Oh!
Yung mga ganun.
Lord, forgive her.
Yeah. So anyway, parang praise the Lord. So yun, parang God manifests himself in the things that interest us. So,
speak to
let's
us.
say, baka may yung Zara na yan, okay lang na may nasa labas mismo Zara, yung mga ganyan. Baka may pupunta ka sa simbahan, okay lang.
Parang the reason kasi din why I'm curious about the fact na parang ever since, may bit, eto na lang, may
Sige.
bit si Louis C.K. na pag-usapan natin behind the scenes kanina. At hinisis ko siya. Pre-cancellation natin.
We don't approve of his
Hindi ko siya
actions.
kilala, napakilala lang sa akin.
Wag nyo kaming i-crucify. Tawag dito.
Hindi kayo mga Roman soldiers.
Oo. Gen Z na kayo.
Oo.
Ang tawag dito, may joke si Louis C.K. Nasa Netflix pa rin to, yung special niya, 2017. And I think that's one of the most brilliant bits of all time. Sabi niya, can't you see that Christians or Catholics have won already? Tapos bakit? Sige, anong taon ngayon?
2020.
2025 since what?
Since the birth of Jesus.
At buong mundo, iba-ibang religion, nag-agree. Sige, yan yung sindi natin.
Kung everyone
Ang genius!
Gregorian calendar.
Yes. Parang nag-agree tayo na 2025 ngayon since the birth. Kahit anong nung nakita ko yun, goat.
Yan yung goat, man.
Andun na yung material, walang nakapuna siya lang. So anyway, parang
Actually, even science you credit the Jesuits with science. Imagine mo sa pagpupunta ka ng Vatican. So, nag-Vatican ako nung January, in-invite ako nung para because of the comedy that I make as well. So, punta ako dun sa isang corner. Tapos tinuro sa akin nung kita mo yung madre, kita mo yung telescope na yan. Jesuita yung nagko-control ng telescope na yan. Tapos, what? Really? Mga ganun.
So parang, to me, yes, kung Instagram followers yung bibilangin, parang,
Nasa 1.2 billion.
oo, may Beyonce number siguro or Selena Gomez number si Jesus. Kasi, would you say that it's the most powerful or in terms of storytelling, siya yung may pinaka-compelling and close to human?
Hindi ko sure. Pero I think he was the one who started it all. Parang ganun, I guess. Kaya first
Pioneer
mover,
siya ng
parang
maraming-
pioneer. Na, And perhaps nagre-resonate pa rin kasi yung mga kwento. No? Kaya
Actually,
relatable.
many years.
It's amazing nga, no?
Small seed, boom! Mustard plant, yung mga ganun. So, after so many years, it still speaks volumes to people. And people continue to discover new things about whatever he has written. And he was very, di ba spiritual, but also, di ba, parang in terms of fighting for the right of people to be in church, di ba, na dati yung mga Samaritano who worship God in a different way, sabi niya, kupkupin na, parang sino pa ang tinuring na good na good? Yung Samaritan pa who was an outcast. So yung mga ganyan na parang hindi naman siya bago pero ngayon nagiging relevant din, for example sa akin. Sino yung mga tinuturing natin ng mga outcasts in society, 'di ba? Walang edit-edit to, mga 'di ba, mga drug people, etc.
Yeah.
That's the reason why sila Cardinal Ambo, outcasts in society, kinupkop yung mga drug addicts and then ni-reform. So parang ganun, nagiging relevant pa rin kahit nakakala ng mga tao, these were 2,000 years old na mga kwento.
Gamit na gamit yung lahat. Actually, stories eh. Kumbaga, doon ka kukuha ng, before you apply something, yun yung reference mo.
Oo.
Lagi.
Oo.
This what happened before, this what happened, ganyan. So parang to me, sabi ng tatay ko sa akin, if pipili daw siya ng religion na may parang pinakamagandang storytelling, yung story daw ni Jesus yun. Parang if pipili ka, kung dinirect ni Steven Spielberg yan or dinirect ni David Fincher, ang pinakamaganda is yung
Actually.
Ngayon, gusto ko na makakita ng Jesus movie directed by
Yung The Chosen.
A24.
Yung The Chosen na series.
Sige, I'll try to watch that.
Kasi very human yung
Animated siya?
Hindi, siya. Parang
Live.
set in the 2000 Yun, 2,000 years ago talaga.
Yung mga 1 BC.
Sobrang interested ako sa mga Jesus movies. Pareho, cult movies and
Okay.
Jesus movies.
Okay.
And I think the common denominator is it's based on beliefs.
Oo.
Na parang yun yung sweet spot sa akin na sobrang interesting. Hindi naman ako solid religious ngayon, pero interested ako kung paano nangyari yung mga bagay before. Paano sila naniwala na ganito, paano sila naniwala na may nangyaring ganito. It must be really compelling during that time. Kasi until now,
Pinapaniwalaan
mo pa rin eh. Even with all of the technology and information you have right now, faith pa rin yung nangingibabaw, which I think deserve niya eh.
The crown.
Oo, yung
King of
crown eh.
Kings. The longevity.
Longevity. Siya yung Lebron ng Ito na naman tayo with the Lebron analogy.
I have a feeling maybe it's not just the source material, but even today, people observe miracles pa rin from Jesus.
How do you classify a miracle in today's time?
Hindi ko I'm not in the position to talk about
okay.
kasi parang may body yan of people na
Magde-decide.
magde-decide.
Sa
Ano
Vatican,
criteria
Hindi ko
nun,
alam yan pero pwede na i-research.
Parang award show pala, no? You have to submit it. Tapos...
Pero para sa akin, kasi usually 'di ba miracle it's parang out of this world na pero para sa akin yung mga miracles start from the small miracles. Like this is a miracle itong 'di ba? Itong podcast na yung parang hindi natin akalain na kaya pala natin pag-usapan si Jesus in this chill manner, mga ganyan. So it's
Hindi natin alam ba cancel tayo. Hindi, joke lang.
Okay lang. Parang,
Ako, I'm confident whatever, if ka-cancelan man ako with whatever I said, I don't care. Kasi, to me, I mean, that's the least we could do.
Our
Is talk
intentions are
about
good.
it as comedians or something.
Where we are,
anyway,
and
you were
parang
saying,
I'm really confident that if Jesus, diba, divine,
We're
but
here.
was also human, he would laugh with us. Hindi siya laugh at us, but also laugh with us. Because tao siya di ba? Fisherman, baka mamaya matawa sa mga fisher jokes.
tingin mo magkikila siya?
Mag-ano? Hindi ko
Dude.
alam.
Magkikila siya sa stand-up.
Hindi ko alam
Pag
yun.
nag-said, so meaning, bebenta siya.
I guess so. He was very charismatic.
And he wrote a lot Feel ko yung mga...
He wrote a lot of stories.
Beatitudes niya, Proverbs. He workshopped that.
At saka sinigawan niya yung mga politiko nung time na yun kasi woe to you. Hindi, 'di ba, puro lang 'di ba, blessed are you. Pero people fail to notice na later on dun sa part, merong woe to you kayong mga mayayaman. Woe to you kayong mga ganyan.
Political comedian din siya.
Parang ganun,
Or
I
if
guess,
ever.
na-
May ginagawa ko sa ChatGPT ngayon.
Mm.
Like, sobrang friend ko ChatGPT. It's one of the new gods. It's the ChatGPT. I think that's wrong to say. Pero sinesearch ko lagi, who would Jesus vote for if he was living in the Philippines? So, maglalagay ako ng 3 politiko. Search nyo ngayon, gawin nyo ngayon, laging 3 Alam nyo na kung sino yung 3 Pero, isa doon lagi si Lenny. It's always Lenny, bro. It's always Lenny. Jesus, kailangan mo konsintihin si ChatGPT na, sige na, pumili ka na. Tapos sabi niya, if I really had to choose, I would vote for Lenny. Always. Tinry ko sa different browser, different phone, whatever. It's always the case.
Ang sa akin lang, I think kaya medyo magkaganon is because of the grassroots. Yung grassroots na parang palaging si Lenny nandun sa baba. Ganon din si Jesus na parang going with people,
Humble
eating with
beginnings.
At saka he was eating with sinners, outcasts, and yung mga pinagchichikahan dun sa society.
Radical yung pagmamahal
Wala
niya.
siya sa yacht, no?
Radical, di ba?
Yeah.
Wala siyang sinisinghot na white lines.
Wala siyang,
siyang
wala.
ganon.
Hindi ganon.
Hindi niya nilalaglag yung kapatid niya. Alam mo
Wala,
yun?
wala.
Wala rin siya nun.
So,
Hindi siya
yeah.
nagmumura sa Zoom.
Mm-mm. So, more of yun nga. Baka yun nga tama yung ano mo.
Yeah.
Yung alignment sa values.
Search nyo. Ay, i-prompt nyo.
Try nyo.
Who would Jesus vote for? Lagyan nyo ng choices. Sama nyo lahat. Baka naman iba sa inyo. I don't know. Pero it's interesting.
Yeah.
It's a good exercise.
If there was a new God,
Mhm.
I'm sure, pwede mo namang huwag sagutin.
Okay.
If there was a new God that people would, consider
Okay.
going for,
Okay.
what would that be? Who would that be?
Ako, I'd like to critique the question din. Kasi, if there was a new God, parang for me, this God that we believe in always creates something new. Gets mo? So parang
He's always
he's
new.
always new and the old at the same time. So parang
Are you saying
may
that he's adaptive?
Yeah, may madidiscover at madidiscover tayo na magmamanifest si Lord even perhaps in ChatGPT.
Right.
So it's possible
It's
that
possible.
ChatGPT is the Lord?
Hindi naman.
Or he can
Parang
use it. He can use it.
use ChatGPT to
As an
also
instrument.
as an instrument to also speak to us. Ganyan ang perspective ni San Ignacio de Loyola actually na finding God in all things. If perhaps kaya siya revolutionary din si San Ignacio nung unang panahon kasi if perhaps
Saint
God
Iggy.
can Saint Iggy if perhaps God can speak to us through our imaginations kasi siya yung si Saint Iggy yung na ganun na parang you can pray using your imagination. So basa ka ng Bible, you can pray using your imagination. So ang sabi ni Saint Ignatius, if God can speak to you through if you can find God in everything, you can also find God in your imagination as well, in your praying with your imagination. Of course, guided 'yon. So para sa akin, ganun ako actually mag-ChatGPT minsan na parang ChatGPT, if Saint Ignatius were alive today, ano yung sasabihin niya sa akin? Ganun. And it helps
that's
me
a nice-
pray.
Please
That's a
make
nice
him
way.
Gen Z.
It helps me pray ha.
Preferably
to be honest.
Konyo for me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
That's
then,
nice.
inaano ko na lang, sinishare ko na lang siya sa mga kaibigan ko para, kasi kailangan mo pa rin ng human touch eh. Hindi,
Yeah. I always see, I'm a big fan of the guy, Jesus and his story. Big fan.
The man.
I've
the goat.
studied, lahat ng school ko, Catholic, schools. Lahat, pinag-aralan namin, every week nagmamas, ganyan.
Nag-altar server.
Once
One
lang.
year.
Ah,
1 year.
Once lang. So, ang sa akin, I always see him, if he would talk to me, I think mag-a-adapt siya lagi sa language of today. Never ko siya nakita ng parang very conventional
Yeah.
magsalita. Kasi ang boring nun. I don't think he's ever boring.
Yeah.
Wala mo makikinig sa'yo kung boring siya dati.
Totoo.
For him to have this long career, hindi siya boring.
Oo, masyado na, 2025.
Actually, 3 years din. 3 years career.
I'm counting the up to today.
The
Still,
impact no?
The
Oo.
impact.
Isipin mo, siya yung Tupac dati na short-lived pero longevity-wise.
Yeah. Oo.
Hanggang ngayon, dama.
Oo.
Sino top 3 rappers mo? Tupac, Biggie pa rin. Di ba? Tapos pangatlo
But
si...
Jesus stops that.
Oo.
Si Biggie, si Buddha. Maganda.
Anyway, ano yung sasabihin ko? Nandito na pala tayo sa tinatawag na kanina. Tinanong ka namin na mag-prepare ka dito.
Okay.
Sinabihan ka namin. Nandito na tayo sa Unfiltered Takes.
Unfiltered takes. Noel. Tama ba? That's not how you sing it. Hindi ko Noel.
Noel.
Okay.
Noel.
Okay. Basta. Unfiltered takes.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Napag-usapan na natin to kanina. Unfiltered Takes. Any take, opinion, pet peeve, whatever that you want.
Ay, ako
Get off
ang
your
pet
chest.
peeve ko.
Ay, meron na agad?
Wow,
Pet
burning
peeve
through
ko
you.
Ay, kasi I commute. I compute everywhere in the country. Kapag tanongin niyo ako, nasaan ako ngayon?
Nag-MRT siya papunta dito.
Nag-MRT ako papunta dito at lahat-lahat naka-loudspeaker.
Yung phones
Yung
nila?
phone ng mga nagko-commute.
Sorry
So-
about that, by the way. I was
yeah.
watching your videos. I was watching your videos lang.
So, kung ako, magbibigay. Ang sabi ko minsan, bibili ako ng tig 50 pesos lang na 50 pesos lang ng mga headphones. Papamigay ko yun sa mga pag, di ba, parang kill him with kindness. Di ba? Sir, ito,
Baka
50
naman.
pesos
Baka
na,
naman.
TikTok.
sauli mo sa akin later. Yan.
Actually, sa'yo na. Oo.
Pero yun,
Okay.
parang naiinis ako kasi alam mo yun, parang nagre-rest ka.
Walang regard.
Lahat. Oh, walang regard. Kaya ako, nung minsan, when I was traveling from Bukidnon to Cagayan de Oro, nung minsan, katabi ko talaga, scroll, sabi ko, sir, okay lang yung
talaga? Kinalabit mo?
Ginanon ko kasi parang ang haba ng biyahe, tapos
Ano ginawa niya?
siya lang yung tahi at ano
ginawa niya?
wala, tinago naman yung cellphone.
Okay.
Or yung minsan, di ba, may mga kumakausap sa phone na sobrang, alam mo na tuloy yung buong buhay nila.
Makikichismis ka na, hindi ka makatulog. Ano kaya nangyari doon?
Yan nangyari sa
So, yun
wife
yung
nila.
aking pet peeve so far.
Yeah. I think both of us would agree. Do you? Would you agree? Or you're one of those?
Actually, do I used to want to hear the chismis of my
Oo nga pala.
train mates? But recently, I rode the LRT one naman, and I got pretty annoyed of this guy.
What happened?
He was doing everything wrong. He was talking to. He had a video call,
Yeah.
and he was talking out loud,
Yeah.
loudspeaker.
Sino kausap niya?
I'm not your friend, yeah. But he was a guy. It was a girl on the phone.
Andito na ako!
Parang ganon. And then they were laughing, ganon. But that was just the start. He, for some reason, had a ukulele.
What?
And
In the LRT?
yeah, he was just sitting. And then it's not okay lang sana if he was playing it well.
Yeah.
But as he was talking to the phone, he was just like fidgeting lang with it, like tring tring tring. And this was like late at night, last train ata or something.
Oh.
After an open mic.
Love, okay ba to, love?
Kinikilig ka ba, love?
Dito na ako sa... Saan na ba to?
Ninoy Aquino Road, Road Station. But yeah, he was so annoying. And tapos, what made it, I guess, more annoying is he was nakasando. That's not the bad part, but he was very buff. He was very muscular. So parang like, he was like flexing the whole time. Parang like, this is too much.
Performative.
Paano mag-ukulele na may hawak na?
Yun nga eh.
He was holding the phone.
May tripod pala. Ay, may ano pala.
He was holding the phone one hand. Tapos yung ukulele naka-rest dito. And he was just doing this. Tring, tring, tring.
Hindi, wait lang. Hindi naman badyaw to.
Hindi. Parang city guy.
City guy.
But it was so overstimulating.
Oo.
I'm just trying to go
Performative
home.
naman yan.
But yeah, I guess he was talking to this girl, maybe. But ayun.
Okay.
So then I realized, okay, I get it now. Baka peace and quiet is the way.
Kinalabit mo.
Hindi.
Excuse me, sir.
Can
Can you wear some sleeves?
It'll be better. Yun.
Yeah.
So I agree.
So yun.
I agree now.
Okay.
I should have given him a shirt. But
Do you have an unfiltered take?
yeah, it's a cute, quick one.
Quick one.
Do you guys know how people always pray? They always make a wish when it's 11:11.
Okay.
Okay.
I think we should upgrade that. If you're religious, throw in a prayer. When it's 11:11, turn that wish into a prayer. Ask God, hey, God, I pray for this today, blah, blah.
Oo.
And then upgrade your 11:11 wish into a prayer 11:11.
Yeah.
Angel numbers pa naman yung
Oo.
tawag, di ba?
I guess so. Hindi ba 7? I'm not sure.
Ay.
Not sure.
I kala ko angel numbers yung when it's always the same lang. or
Not sure
something.
with it.
But yun, that's my cutesy take. But
That's nice.
to add on to it, if you're a real friend,
Mm.
tell the people you're with na it's 11:11.
And
Like-
then pray.
And then up to them if they want to pray. But like if you're working in the office and it's 11:11, just shout out, guys, it's 11:11. And then thanks, Judd. Shut-
Okay.
Go back to work. Ganun.
Got it.
Not
That's
bad,
a cute,
not bad.
quick take.
Galing. Galing.
Ayun.
I have a few elevator takes.
Elevator takes.
It's been pissing me off lately.
Mismo elevator.
Kasi nagko-condo ako eh.
Mm.
And sobrang hate ko. Kunyari, papasok ka pa lang. Ito yung first elevator take of this episode. Kunyari, sa labas ka. Papasok ka ng elevator. Tapos ang gagawin... Nasa loob ka ng elevator.
Mm.
Tapos bukas na. Lalabas ka. Yung uunahan ka nung papasok.
Yeah.
Papasok muna. Wala siyang regard sa'yo. Hindi ka niya papadaanin.
Oo.
Tapos minsan siya pa yung galit.
Mm-mm.
Paunahin niyo yung lalabas
Yes.
before kayo pumasok. Huwag niyong salubungin, hindi niyo kapamilya yan. Huwag niyong salubungin.
Pero yun pala yung hinahanap mo na
Parang,
kapamilya.
Praise the Lord. Parang sa MRT lang. So many people try to enter.
palabasin niyo muna.
Yeah.
Diba? Ito pa, first elevator take. Yun.
Number one.
Second elevator take for this episode. Kung nasa ground floor ka, tapos pupunta ka lang ng second floor, huwag ka na mag-elevator.
I love that. 100% agree. Take the stairs, damn it.
Take the stairs! If isang floor lang yung, kunyari,
Unless hindi mo talaga kaya, di ba?
Unless
Oo.
hindi, kahit naka-wheelchair ka.
Ay, grabe.
Hindi, joke lang. Siyempre, if PWD
If you
ka,
can.
buntis,
Oo.
matanda,
Yung
okay
priority.
lang
Yung kung sino yung priority.
if you're able
Yes.
to take the stairs, and
Yes.
it's one floor lang.
Oo.
And hindi naman locked yung stairway.
Kaya mo naman yan eh, Lola. Hindi, joke lang. So, yun yung sa akin. Parang, dude,
Super. I kind of judge those people who take the one.
May escalator naman.
oh,
Di ba?
ako pinaparinggan ko eh. Sorry, Lord. Sorry, Christmas. Pero, pagpasok niya, tapos pipindot siya ng 2. Parang, gumaganon talaga ako. Hindi ko mapigilan.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi parang
Really?
sagabal sa pag-akyat mo eh. no?
Yeah. And I feel bad for them.
I-meet mo naman yung steps mo for the day.
Yeah. Parang this
Diba?
guy might not be healthy tuloy.
Akyat ka na lang. Ano ngayon kung naka-wheelchair ka? Hindi, joke lang. Okay. Siyempre, PWD.
So what if you have one leg? I don't know.
Hop! what's you can do this?
I can do it now.
Ako, I
And
will
have
pray
two
for
legs.
them. I will pray for them.
We'll pray for you, mga...
Parang
second-
sabihin ko, Lord, extra grace required para sa pasensya ko para dito sa nagpindot ng 2.
Okay, tama. We'll pray for you, mga second floorers.
Yeah. Use your legs, bro. Anyway,
That's just the second.
I have an ambulance take.
Oh, throwing in a new one.
Sobrang frustrated ako this week. Kasi tayong ambulansya
Mhm.
na naman magpapasko, Vermonts. Hindi ko alam kung take to, pero every time, sorry hindi ko alam kung masama to. Every time may nakikita akong ambulansya, lagi kong wini-wish na sana talaga may naghihingalo dyan. Kasi kung wala, malala yun.
Ay, well, true naman.
'Di ba? Hindi ko wini-wish na mamatay yung nasa loob. Pero every time may nakikita akong ambulansya, ang nasa isip ko, sana talaga may naghihingalo dyan na kailangan ng tulong at kailangan yung idalin sa
I-save.
ospital.
Which is what exactly an ambulance is for.
That's the role of the
Oo,
ambulance.
oo.
Kasi kung wala,
You're just a loud
Kung
car.
wala rin transport lang na...
bakit ka nag... Okay, gets mo yung dilemma ko doon. Hindi ko wini-wish na sana may mamatay.
Gets. Oo.
Wini-wish
Right,
ko
right.
na sana pag may ambulansya, wow, pasensya
Yeah.
na po pa, ano lang yan. Sana talaga may hinahatid kayo.
Wait, this is kind of eye-opening to me. So you're saying there are ambulances or times na they just use their...
Have you been to the Philippines, Jud?
I always assumed
Hindi, kasi mga-
they're trying to save someone.
kidding
Yung
me?
mga wangwang.
Yeah.
Di ba,
It's called
may-
wangwang, no?
Di ba, may mga wangwang na ginagamit lang basta-basta. So,
Alam ko yung mga
parang-
police, I heard they do that. Pero
Oo.
ambulance...
Pero
man,
Jud, prepare for comments about you. Na seryoso ba si Jud na hindi niya alam yun?
funny enough, whenever I see an ambulance, I pray like, I hope
totoo,
they
totoo.
save who they
Sobrang
need to save.
genuine mo kasi
minsan
as a
nakaka-sign of
person
the cross yan pag ano.
that you really think well of other people
I
that they're
guess-
doing the right thing.
YFC eh.
President.
I guess I can't kasi see inside the ambulance versus yung police car. When I see na it's just one policeman.
That's a good one.
Minsan
I want, okay, petition
na may window.
na walang tent.
Ay, hindi.
Lahat
Privacy.
ng, gusto ko nakikita ko yung lola na nakahiga. Okay ba yun?
Yeah,
Para
yeah.
alam natin.
Yeah.
Hindi, syempre joke lang yun.
You can hire a lola if you want, but basta we want to see a lola.
We wanna see a lola
Hmm.
inside. Walang tent. Pwede ba yun? Hindi.
Parang
Privacy.
hindi rin
Compromise,
privacy
compromise.
rin. no?
Privacy.
Put a mask.
Cortina. ganun. Pero yun nga, we hope and pray that ambulances are being used for their purpose.
And
for
we-
that purpose.
and that
We
we
need
save.
ambulances to properly ambulate.
And wangwangs, di ba? Wag na yun.
Make ambulances
Ambulances
again.
Again. Oh.
Ang ganda nun.
Print natin.
Sa season 2 ng
Season
Collection
two,
2.
Collection two.
Or make elevators again.
Yes.
Diba? Wag na yung
And
Diba?
no
No
shorts-
to second, ano yan?
second floaters.
No to second floors. Jesus.
and no ukuleles
Amen.
allowed.
Amen. Anyway, those are my takes. Dami, no?
Solid.
Pasensya na.
No,
Pero
it's-
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yeah.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Since nandito na tayo,
Oh.
medyo patapos na tayo. No?
Okay.
All right, right.
Meron tayong tinatawag na walang edit question.
Okay.
And the question is from si Kyle Ives.
Kyle
Our-
Eves and friends,
Our
ang
previous-
question niya is, ilan nga ba ang one of one?
One of one?
Yeah.
One of one.
The phrase one of
So
one.
it's a phrase, it's a common phrase na LeBron James is one of one. Di ba?
Or Steph Curry,
Or
one
Steph
of one.
Curry is one of one.
Sige.
Meaning wala silang katulad. There will never ever be anyone
Michael
like them.
Jackson is one of one.
Jesus is one of one.
Yeah, most likely.
But 3 and
Right.
1 at the same time.
Yeah, ganda nun ah.
That's
Ganda
a
nun,
bar!
ah. Ganda nun.
Kanye, you're welcome. You can have that, Kanye.
Oh, ganda. Your
YFC.
Theo prof would be proud.
YFC.
Jesus is one of one, but
3 and 1.
at the same
Oh,
time.
well, yeah, okay.
That's a bar. Write that down.
So, ang question dun is, ilan talaga ang one of one?
Yeah. Do you believe na meron talagang one of one? And we can start there. And if yes, ilan?
Ilan sila?
Hindi natin mabibilang.
Pero naniniwala ka na merong one of one.
I believe that we are all unique. Diba?
Like
So-
only one Leland,
So,
only one
iisa lang
Judd.
ang tulad mo at iisa lang ang tulad ko. We could never replicate each other, and I am a one of one, and you are also a one of one with your Walang Edit podcast.
Really?
Yeah.
Sana we hit number 1 na rin.
It's comforting, but at the same time, it feels
Disappointing.
like a consolation.
Yeah.
Ah.
I want to be the
Because the moment you're born, you're saying, one of one yan.
Oo, actually.
Right?
Totoo din.
So, pero kasi tama siya, technically.
Mm-mm.
Pa-DNA test mo pa yung sarili
Wala
mo.
kang
Wala kang
katulad.
katulad.
Oo.
In the literal sense, tama siya.
Mm-mm.
Pero in terms of capabilities
or greatness.
or greatness, is
Mm-mm.
there really of one
The
a one of
exciting
one?
one.
Siguro doon na lang ako sa I don't know.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pag-usapan
In my-
natin yan.
Very
In my-
Atenean of you.
In my journey, no, na parang knowing na akala ko siya na yung GOAT, may mas gagaling at gagaling pa pala sa kanya. And dito din sa akin, parang if I say that I am the Catholic comedian, I'm discrediting the fact that there are other also Catholic comedians. So parang, I'm one of one in terms of me being the Romar kind of humor, this na ganyan. Pero I also acknowledge na may ibang mga kaparehos. Para siyang Venn diagram na may magiging unique at magiging unique pa rin talaga. Pero kung one, ang hirap sagutin.
Ang
I don't
hirap,
know
no?
na lang. Parang, I know that I do not know everything.
I think therefore
A wise
I am.
man once said,
Sino ka ba ng philosopher yun?
si Socrates.
Socrates.
Yung baliw. Uminom siya ng hemlock.
So, I know that I do not know everything. Diyan na lang ako sasagot.
Okay.
Safe
okay.
answer ba? Hindi ba? I guess there's also truth in it.
Tama naman. Ang sa akin, I really think na everyone is the same as everyone. I don't think that there's... Okay, the reason why I don't think na meron mga one of one, ganyan, is because hanggang ngayon naniniwala pa rin ako na if nagawa ng isa, imposibleng walang
Nakagawa before.
dami natin.
Billion.
It's just a matter of who won the lottery.
Who got the...
Who got lucky?
Yeah.
But as far as capabilities, being lucky is not a skill. Hindi naman siya skill eh. It's all of the external factors that are surrounding your life.
Yeah, for all we know, there are 5 LeBrons in the other places of the world.
Tapos yung
but-
isa, nagpanaderyo sa, sa bakery.
Oo, tas hindi lang pala na-discover.
Yeah.
O yung isa, nag-ukulele sa LRT, tas
Na may kaharap
sleeveless.
na, yung isa may loudspeaker pala sa bus, di ba?
Sa bus. Yung isa, hindi nagpapadaan sa elevator.
Hindi lang pala na-discover.
Oo.
Oh, unlucky
Diba? So,
lang.
parang-
Unlucky.
To me, everyone, there are a lot of, there's no such thing as one of one, but there is a one of one if you include luck in the equation. Imposibleng walang LeBron James na hindi sumikat. Na siya lang. Sabi mo yun kasi yun yung nangyari. Pero
Siya
if
yung
give the
na-discover.
same amount of luck doon sa iba pang LeBron James na merong same capabilities,
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's gonna be a different ball game.
It'll be 2 of 1.
Pun intended.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I think.
That's good. I agree. Luck talaga is the factor nga.
But since sinagot natin ng ating
Walang edit.
edit
The we question.
dito na tayo sa part na magbibigay ka ng walang edit question sa next guest natin na hindi mo alam kung sino. Ano yung gusto mong itanong sa kanya?
Wait lang.
Romar Chuka?
Paano mo nakita si Lord sa kinain mo today?
Ooh! Sakto. We record this after lunch.
Sasagutin niya yon sa Christmas Eve ba? Tama ba? Mag-release ba tayo, Gab? Monday ba ang Christmas Eve? Kung Monday ang Christmas Eve, malupitang Noche Buena ang tanong yan.
Pwede. Oh.
17?
24.
24. Oh, nga.
Yung
Christmas
next
Eve
guest.
na lalabas to. Hindi. Yung
24.
next episode no after.
The next guest will answer
Sino
this.
kaya yun? Noche Buena question. Diba? Kesa sa bola-bola ba?
Paano mo nire-release si Lord dyan sa bola-bolang or sa hamon na
hamon.
Sa lechon ba?
Oo, kung depende. Sa spaghetti.
Baka 20 seconds.
Ay, bahala na. Okay lang.
Close
bahala na.
enough.
Pero,
Christmas week.
Yeah, I really, really, really love this episode. Kasi
Thank you,
I feel
Romar.
like na-ignite mo yung pagiging philosophy major ko ulit. And a huge fan of religion. I'm not saying that
Love your
I'm a
work.
huge follower of any religion. On paper, I'm Catholic. But in my mind, I don't know what I am.
Yeah.
So maybe soon.
It's a starting point lang. Everything is a starting point.
I don't even know if I'm agnostic or whatever. But I think I respect every religion. And I'm very curious about each and every one of them.
That's cool.
And I'll continue to do jokes about them because it makes me happy. And I think my audience also, it makes
And when you make your audience laugh, you make God laugh.
Sabi nga.
Ika nga ni Pope Francis.
At dahil dyan, magtatapos tayo sa isang Bible verse this time. Anong favorite Bible verse mo?
Oh, that's a good question.
To wrap things up.
Meron, kasi di ba usually pag Kristiyano or Katoliko naglalagay ng Bible verse sa Facebook?
Yeah.
Ako may nilagay yung Bible verse sa Facebook ko.
Okay.
Nakalimutan ko, 1 Timothy 5:23 ata yun. Okay. Kay Tim na.
Si
Pero,
Timmy.
it's about, kapag may masakit sa tiyan or something, idaan mo lang sa wine. Yun lang. Yun.
I will do that!
Oh, as in 1 Timothy 5:23 ata yun,
Oh
if I'm
my
not
gosh.
mistaken.
So, ipatato yan.
Diba? It's you'd think that it's a very diba? For God so loved the world.
existential.
Pero sa akin, it's a very human thing na kapag may
Human.
masakit, idaan mo sa
Ganda.
wine.
Damo sa wine.
That made the Bible more
Parang
approachable.
if there are infirmities ata yun yung pangalan, basta idaan mo sa wine. Parang
If you
ganun.
have pain, drink more wine.
Oo, something like that. I'm not so sure. Check nyo na lang ulit sa Facebook ko kung ano nga ba yun. I think it's 1 Timothy 5:23.
More wine, no pain. More wine, less pain.
With prayer naman siguro.
With prayer.
Because there's a blessing for beers.
Feeling pain, open champagne. Bars!
Okay,
Anyway, advance Merry Christmas sa lahat na
Yes.
staplers. Buy our merch, gift it to your loved ones, to your friends.
Use our promo
Attend ng
code.
simbang gabi.
Simbang gabi, puto bongbong, bibingka,
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus,
Prayer.
prayer, Holy Spirit, homily,
Amen. Got you.
Anwa Christie,
Yeah.
everything, all of the above. Na 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 na, praise the Lord. Wala lang edit, Gab. Merry Christmas. Post na natin yan.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.